Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I just actually there's this product just came in. It's called it's from Michael Kors and it's actually from Netherlands. All right, just a moment. Okay. Wait a moment. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so it's called Kelli Small Signature Logo Tote Bag. Okay, so so it's actually from Netherlands. Just a moment. Yeah, say. Okay, just a moment. Yeah. Right. Okay, so this is a box. It came by. It took about a week, actually, from Netherlands to Malaysia. Yeah. So yeah. Actually, the it's a signature logo. So like there's an MK logo there, but I can't found not can't find. It's sold out, so there's no more in market. So this one is the picture that in the from the Michael Kors itself, right? So see that, right? So this is the description. So if you like this. Okay, there. You can pause. Alright. Okay. Some details. Alright. Alright. That's it. That's it. I'll leave some the details after the video if you're interested to buy. So before we no, that's unboxing. It's very interesting. Just a moment. I carry this camera, so I think this is not really a good camera. So, but it's okay. Okay, now this is the box. Came like this. Okay. Ta! Okay. Just a moment. It doesn't come with a dust bag. If you are really into a dust bag person, ordering from the website is not really a good choice for you, but it's okay. As long as if you got a good price, then it's a nice thing for you, right? So that's a nice thing. So this is the product. The packaging came like this. And this one. Okay. Yeah, so this is in the plastic. You can't really see much. Let's open the plastic, alright? Okay. Ta-da! Yay! See that? So it's just eyeballs. Okay. Okay. So the okay, that's fine. Behind. Right. Then, actually, I don't want to be sort of the packaging, but let's see roughly what's inside. Oh, so. It's a bit complicated. I don't want to open this because this is actually for my sister. I bought it for my sister for her birthday, for her 36th birthday. Yeah, and see, I just want to show you the details. Let's see how this. Okay. All right. Okay. So this the handle. Pebble skin myself, and then business inside. Yeah, it's alright. It's very complicated, but let's manage it. Okay. Magic. Oh, well, sorry. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Because, yeah, it's nice. Then, okay. There's that's okay. And then, the tag. And there's a pocket for focus inside, and it's inside like that. This one. If you wait, listen. Sorry, there's no lighting. Oh yeah, there is. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay, so it's a good. You can see the stitch is quite good actually. Of course, Michael calls is international product. Okay, done. Okay, so for more info, last thing. This one, yeah, the tag. I'm going with Tote. This one. Okay. Distributed. Another one. So there's US product. Yep. Yes. Okay. Let me check this one. Alright. And one more. Last one. Before we end the video. I should want to show you this. Okay, card. Let's see. Okay. This is another language. Okay. Looks good. Why this video is good. Okay. Right, that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. And if you're interested with the bag, there's no link because there's a sold out, but similar to it. I'll leave the link below the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.